Hello there, and welcome to the unbelievable. An antelope does an incredible sidestep to avoid being lunch. This buffalo is in serious trouble, but thankfully the herd is close by to come help.
Oh my goodness.
No, run. Out of there, get out.
Watch, the other one's looking, the other one's gonna get up. Watch, the other one's to get him. Look, here goes this one. Oh my god. Here goes that one to get him. He'll get away.
This warthog has got some unbelievable reflexes.
This deer jumps over a fence into this lion's den. The lion pounces on it. All these people are watching, but manages to escape. Everybody's cheering it on. It makes it into the moat. The lion stops chasing it.
A mother zebra has no intentions of letting her baby be food.
Pushing it to the other one. Pushing it to the other one. Keep following. Yes.
A zebra shows incredible heart and doesn't give up fighting off this lion.
Кошка размером. Вот где вообще ставим? Иди отсюда.
A buffalo herd is recorded saving a calf from the grips of a lion.
Is he okay? Look at him.
A baby elephant is recorded fending off an attack from 14 lions.
Hold on. How did this one get lost like this? Go in the water. Yeah, that's right. Go in the water. Go in the water. That's right. You got the right idea. Oh, come on. You can do it just a little further. Yeah, that's it. Fight back. No. Yeah. Swing it off. Another line over there. Oh, look, you got it. Oh, yeah. Look. It's terrible.
Where are the other elephants?
I can't
God's
believe it. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, the other one's attacking you. Oh, it's pulling the ones. Oh my god, they're very...
These two wolves are no match for this feisty wolverine.
Hij gaat hem nu redden.
Ja, maar hij is een slagharen, denk ik.
Ja, hij gaat hem nu redden.
Ah, zo hé.
Snel achter de nek. Ja.
Oh man.
Die blijft erin. Kant op. Oh, zo. Oh, en die andere is blaast.
A pack of wild dogs are unsuccessful in their attempt to take down this kudu.
Hij is rounded, seconding.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, that's Get that. Still holding on. Wow. He's gonna be drowning.
Oh, he's really good.
Oh, the moat's getting in now.
No.
That's a brave dog.
Yeah, see the cheetah. Look how the cheetah took off and ran away there. Eh?
Whoa. Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
Eh? Look at that! Almost hit it. Look at that poor cheetah. The stallion keeps the torches on now. Eh?
This mother warthog doesn't like this hyena getting too close to her 3 babies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Unbelievable.